Hello everyone. So I'm again recording a video today after a long time because I was too much busy in some work that I will be disclosing very soon. But today I wanted to share one thing with you guys. Actually, I got a surprise gift and I did not open it because I knew it's a phone, so I just thought to open it with you guys. But there are multiple things in there. So first we will see what is this. This is Porodo's magnetic car mount. Okay. So it will be fixed like this in the car. And it's from Virgin Store and it's for 79 dirhams. Okay, after that, so this is the bill, I guess. And what else is inside? Ta-da! It's very nice. And it's 13 Pro. It's the latest one. It is for 4,199 dirhams. And nowadays dirham is for about 53 rupees. 1 dirham, if you change it, it will be like around 2,22,000 if you convert it into Pakistani rupees. And one more important thing was my husband had to buy this USB Type C, I guess, 20 watts power adapter. This was also for 79 dirhams. Actually, with this latest iPhone, the charger does not comes in it. Also, I guess, yeah, the charger does not comes with it. Only one cable comes with it, as far as I know. I'll be knowing more better after opening it. So I will be opening it with you guys. So, this is so beautiful. Wow, what a shine. Glossy. वो जो एक नया फोन की जो ग्लो होती है ना, वही वाली ग्लो है. ओके. Mm-hmm. Should I remove this, no? How beautiful! And it's bigger. It's like my hand. It's This is the top side. I don't know it is clear in the video or not. I think I should show it like this. This is the top side. This is the right side. And this is the left side. And this is the bottom side. And this is the back side. Wow, this is so beautiful in my favorite color. So I'm gonna start it. So it's starting, and I'm so much excited to open this. Hello, hi. I actually don't know what's the price in Pakistan, but over here it is for 4,200 dirhams, which is around 2 lakhs 22,000 rupees. So it's gonna start slowly. Um, I will be setting this later. I was just excited to show it with you guys and see how beautiful this is. This is so pretty. And what else comes with it? This cable comes with it only. This is why he had to buy this charger also adapter. Okay, this cable only comes with it with iPhone 13 Pro, though this is the latest one and they don't provide the charger even. Okay, what's that? This is the thing, nothing else. This is finished. So coming towards the specifications, Bluetooth Wi-Fi, sign in California. Okay. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, over here it is iPhone 13 Pro Gold, 128 GB. Other details are model number and this and that. So this was enough for today. So we will meet in the next video inshallah. And this is the billing, I guess. Yes, this is the bill. He bought it yesterday night from the Virgin store. Yeah. So take care everyone. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.